We want to make the most amount of money with the least amount of time because we want freedom. So in this video, I want to cover some of the high income skills that are worth learning in 2024. And here are the highest income skills that I believe are worth learning: video, AI, design, websites, and marketing, especially in this internet age. The first one that I want to talk about is video editing. It's something that I personally do aside from content creation, and it's something that can change your life completely, financially speaking. And because it's something that I'm doing it myself, I know what's going on inside, and I'm gonna give you some super valuable lessons and tips right now. But before, I'm gonna tell you this: only by editing videos for other content creators, you can easily make $5,000 to $10,000 a month. I'm telling you this because I know this. Now, the demand for video editors is crazy, and that makes video editing an amazing skill to learn in a world dominated by visual content. Like, the ability to craft compelling and engaging videos is priceless right now. The thing is, there are a lot of video editors on the market right now, but the good thing is that most of them are trash. Now, I don't want to spread hate or something, but all they do, these editors that I see on the internet, all they do is copy the Imangadi style. That's pretty much all they do. Like, they just copy this style, they just do these animations. Just doing these animations is not a video editing. Video editing is more than that. It's about having your own style. It's about understanding the personality and the character of the person that's in the video, their style. What's the main goal? What you want the viewer to feel when they watch that video. And most of the video editors that are out there, they can't do that. So I'm gonna correct my sentence. The demand for good video editors is crazy right now. There are so many content creators out there, and you can edit for them. You will make better videos for them, resulting in more views and more money. Like, they will get more views, they will make more money, so of course they will pay you. They will even keep you. Like, they won't let you go because you help their business make more money. And that's like what they want. Like, they want to make money so they can keep making videos and live a better life. And you make their whole business operate a lot easier because video editing takes time. Now, I'm gonna be honest. Video editing is not an easy thing to do because it's not just about learning the software. Like, it's not just about understanding how Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut Pro works. It's about understanding filmmaking. It's about understanding video editing. Like, it's about understanding storytelling. You're gonna cut a clip? Why? You're gonna add an element? Why? What all does that element play? What does it add to the story? So again, there is an amazing demand for good video editors right now, and how much you can charge purely depends on your skill level. Obviously, if you're really good in what you're doing, you're proven, you have portfolio, like you have edited videos for other content creators or for yourself, and you have got views, like these videos that you edited got views. If you have proven that, then of course you can ask for more money. Then you can be in a position to ask for more money. Also, I want to mention today's sponsor, InsideOptions. They have their SPX program, which is a way for InsideOptions to conveniently trade the spreads you know and love at the same price as the stock and ETF options you already trade. For example, if you already trade SPY, then now you can add vertical spreads to your trading experience. There is also the MIT BlackJack Team, where they give you trading strategies that they teach in the SPX program. They also promise you 100% money back guarantee if you are unable to achieve a return on your membership. Now, here's my interactive broker's account dashboard, and you can see my holdings and reports. I mean, I can also refresh the page just to show you. Plus, there is a private Slack group that you can get access when you join the program, and the people here share their successes, their stories, and basically how they make money with this program. And lastly, there is the SPX trade alert section. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. They send alerts for your trades. If you want to get more details or you want to join this program, the link is in the description. Thanks InsideOptions for sponsoring this video. The next skill is web design and web development. Now, web design and web development is another amazing skill that you can learn and make a lot of money by doing so. Learning web design opens doors to a wide range of opportunities. You can either make websites for clients separately, or you can create a website template. You can make a website template and sell that to different people. In my opinion, selling template is kind of better and more passive because you make it once and then sell it over and over again without needing an extra effort. But again, you can also do websites for clients separately. That's also great. To make websites, you can use Framer because I think Framer is easier and better than other sites. Anyone can go and learn how to use this website and build amazing websites. Another reason why I recommend Framer is that if you prefer, you can sell your own website templates in the template section directly within Framer. Like as you can see, there are sites in every category. At one point, I was browsing Twitter and saw a post by Cedric. He made $30,000 in revenue in 1 year by selling Framer templates. Frankly, this Framer has started to interest me a lot lately. Like I'll probably take a look at it. Also, as you can see with Framer and also with other website building platforms like WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, now making websites is a lot easier than it was like 5 to 10 years ago. Like you don't really need to know how to code. Of course, knowing a programming language and coding is also an amazing skill as well, but you don't necessarily need these languages, need to know these languages and how to code to build a website. So I think that anyone can learn this skill if they really want it and put the effort and time into it. Next up, we have AI prompting. Now you might think like ChatGPT is very easy to use, like anyone can use it, AI will take over the world or something, I don't know, but it's not as simple as that. Yes, everyone can use AI, but not everyone can use it to its full potential. The difference is in prompting. ChatGPT is one of the simple examples. There are also AI such as Stable Diffusion where you can create astonishing stuff, but using Stable Diffusion is not simple at all. Or Midjourney, you need to know how to be more specific when it comes to prompting. Now, look at this picture. This is not a real person and this is not a real handwriting. It's 100% AI made. Just the way AI is taking over, it's a sign that AI prompting will be a very valuable skill in the next years, whether to benefit your own business or other businesses. The next skill is marketing. The skill of marketing and sales is priceless. I can even say that marketing is one of the most important skills that you need to learn. It's in every part of your life. Whether you want to become a video editor as mentioned earlier, you need to market yourself and your service. The same goes for web design and development. You need to market your skills and service, and you need to sell your templates. Like if you can't market or sell something, if you can't put your product out there in front of people, in front of the right people, then it doesn't matter how good it is. There won't be people who know about your product unless you can market it. Wherever you go, whatever you do, the skill of marketing will help you a lot. It's basically the core of a business. Also, something that I want to add here is that this skill, the marketing and sales, is a skill that goes with all the other skills as well. Like video editing is video editing, but marketing and sales is something that you also need if you're going to do video editing. Or web design is web design, like you design websites. Marketing and sales is a part of that. Like you need marketing and sales so you can market your service, yourself, your websites. You need to be able to sell this stuff. Even content creations like what I'm doing right now, you need to be able to market your videos in a way, and you need to be able to sell your products if you sell like products, merch, or whatever. Like I sell my Notion template and my ebook that's about how to grow a YouTube channel and monetize it. I need marketing and sales skills in order to be able to sell these products. And now that I mentioned them, if you want to check them out, the links are in the description. So whatever skill you learn, you also need marketing. Now there are so many ways that you can learn marketing and sales. It really depends on the situation, but in its core, it's the ability to sell something. Some books that I can recommend are Alex Hormozi's $100 Million Leads and $100 Million Offers books, and Russell Brunson's Secrets books, the .com secrets, traffic secrets, and expert secrets. I hope this video was helpful to you. I suggest you to learn some valuable skills in 2024 because skills stick with you for life. And you can make a lot of money if you know valuable skills that are in demand and you're good at them. So I'll see you in the next videos. Take care. Bye bye.